Here are the two ways you can try to insert Roman numerals in your Google Docs document. So the first method is quite simple. You can use this information to basically form a number in your document. So the letter I means 1, V means 5, and there's also X, L, C, D, and also M. And you need to know the basic for creating a number with the Roman numerals. I'm not going to discuss that in this video, but these are the characters or the letters you can try to form a Roman numerals. Another way you can try is by using the special character feature in Google Docs. So let's say I'm going to put the cursor right here, and then go to the insert menu, click special characters, and then you can search Roman, and you will see all sort of options that you can insert into your document. Let's say I'm going to enter this M, meaning 1000, and yeah, this is essentially the same M as this one. However, it's probably going to be a bit cumbersome to just go back to special character every time you want to insert a Roman numeral, and that's why I highly recommend to use this option, these characters. And if you want to make the style to look like a Roman numerals, there are many fonts that you can apply to these characters. For example, if I press M, and I'm going to change the font to, let's say, Georgia, you can see that it is very close to the special character here, even though it's not exactly the same, but I think it is pretty close, and given enough context, people should be able to distinguish that this is not a regular M, this is an M for Roman numerals. So basically that's the two options you can try to create Roman numerals in your Google Docs document.